Hi, today in front of me Realme GT2 and I'll show you that the device comes with the earbuds inside the box. So let's just first open the box. So here we got some paperwork, and let's also check this is the protective case, USB cable and the charger brick, and unfortunately we have not here any earbuds, so if you want to use them with your Realme device you should buy the headphones separately. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.